Hello, class of 2024. My name is Acacia Tramil, and I'm a sophomore from Chicago, majoring in government and minoring in Latin American and Latino studies. On campus, I'm an ambassador under the Race and Ethnicity programs at the Multicultural Center on campus called Unity House. Unity House was built in 1973 and is located directly behind the Smith Burdick dormitories and next to the Becker Alumni House. Unity House is committed to diversity and multiculturalism, and we want to empower underrepresented students by mentoring them and by providing culturally relevant programming that brings campus awareness. At Unity House, we plan events for Heritage Months, and those Heritage Months being Latinx Month, Indigenous Peoples Month, Black History Month, and Asian American, and Pacific Islander Month. In addition to planning events for Heritage Months, we also are in charge of running the Genesis peer mentoring program for first year students who identify as students of color and or first generation students. Clubs that are affiliated with Unity are UMOJA, which is the Black Student Union, MECHA, which is the Mexican Student Alliance, Las Voces Unidas, which is the Central American, South American, and Caribbean Student Alliance, in addition to Eclipse, which is the multicultural club that celebrates all cultures on campus, and Asia, which stands for Asian Students in Action. As an ambassador, I work as a club liaison, and I broker the relationship between the Student Government Association and between club leaders in order to foster a more inclusive environment on campus and to provide clubs with resources that they may need access to. I love working at Unity House because it's in the center of campus, it's a great space to do homework, and the staff are always available to talk and ready to answer any questions that you may have. And being an ambassador on campus has been such a rewarding experience because I'm able to network and connect with students, faculty, and staff and organizations and become more involved on campus and off campus. An event that I enjoyed planning was a Black History Month takeover at the Harris Dining Hall. And with this event, I worked in collaboration with the Harris Dining staff to create a list of foods to serve students during Black History Month that was unique to African American culture and the African diaspora. And the turnout for the event was amazing. Everyone enjoyed the food. I enjoyed the food myself. And we hope to plan similar events like those in the future. And if you want to become an ambassador for Unity House or you would like to know more about Unity House, feel free to reach out to Truth Hunter and she can answer any questions that you may have. And also follow us on Instagram at cc_Unity House. And be sure to like our Instagram page at rep@Unity House. And I cannot wait to see you all and during orientation and at our Welcome Back barbecue. But until then, welcome to Connecticut College, and I hope to see you all very soon.